Epom Media does not endorse or share the views expressed by the guest or the topics discussed on this podcast. All opinions belong solely to the guest. Epom Media assumes no responsibility or liability for any consequences arising from this content. This platform is intended exclusively for social discussion and dialogue. By continuing to watch, you acknowledge and agree to these terms.
A very good evening. Epom Talks miyang tabi puno pupa hanmakta taramnok seri mayam gidamakta series 9 every Friday 7:45 ta Epom Media puthok chaba Epom Talks support to bi pupna mopisu thagat cheri lone na Epom Talks ta ekhona thamjari basi different personalities mayam ma pujarak laga mayam da khitang awareness pi bangamba education pi bangamba yam impactful loiba ekhoi conversation kayama purakna bagi pandam da ekhoi Epom Talks se mayam gidamakta semjabani aduga platform sidagi ekhoi mayam comments ke khothang da feedback ke khothang da ekhoi mayam si ekhoi gi hena aware oiminaba hena chawkhat minaba amadi hena ekhoi si informative oibagi pandamda ekhoi thamjaba sida mayam gi support tumakna ekhoi hena manipur sida pakthok chawthokna ekhoi gi informations kayama education kayama awareness kayama ekhoi sem sadana leminasi haibasi ma thamjaraga ngasi si mayam gi damakta yam special oiba ekhoi gi guest ama ngasi tanglaba matam kaithokpiraga ekhoi gi Epom Talks gi damakta dedicate tobirakliba special guest se mayam da saktak sage aduga ngasi gi personality si magi si yamna multi talented haiba tare magi personality se aduki matik mayamna jaga amamam da ubiramgani adubu ngasi ekhoina purposely kauribasina ekhoi si khitang ekhoina manipur gi leizari ba khoi tradition culture ekhoi gi arts mayam sida ekhoina preserve toba promote toba amadi ekhoina sidai sida manga daba taga daba soiga daba ngamga daba kaya se ekhoina senaja hoba ngamna bagi pandam ngasi simadi pujarakpani mayam gi damakta ngasi gi pujarekliba special guest Ningthoukhongjam Ibungochoubi Executive Editor Manipur Mail adubu masinga si ekhoigi Manipur Mail ekhoigi as an ekhoigi media person na khoi ngasi interview si logodaba natte ado ekhoigi ngasi gi ozasi mayamna su ekhoigi Manipur gi international polo ekhoigi championship to kya da su ubiramgani poni gi matang da su yamna ngangba aduga media gi lamda su aduki matik yam kuina chahi nipu yankhai mukpu suramani ka akhoi oza hoina akhoi contribute tawra ise dedicate tawraga aduga loina na ekhoina mayamna su khangbiram su yarongani aduga khangdaba kayama su yawbiramgadaba mali aduga oza si moigi sumang makta gi ekhoi manipur gi tradition arts form si moi de ngakta hawdokhi ba haiba tare phanyamna akhoi gi meite gi jagoi haiba isai haiba akhoi gi folk music aduga folk dance akhoi gi traditional akhoi gi classical dance kari krasi hoigi family si pull up involved toroga Manipur society ki damakta chauna contribute toba adugumba oza hoigi family ni aduga ngasi se ekhoina su oza se trekking da su aduki matik enthusiast oibani aduga in terms of akhoi sports ki adagi art and culture gi media gi field sida yamna expertise su oirabani adubu ngasi di ekhoina khudong chaba se matam se ekhoina pung ama muktang phanggadabana maram oiraga yamna maru oiba important topic oina khoina khanga charaga khoi Manipur gi folk amadi classical art form of Manipur sida oina discuss tawnabi khudong chaba de logzabani ahan maktada mayamda ozabu saktak sage oza Ningthoukhongjam Ibungochoubi ozabu taramnok cheri please welcome to the show.
Thank you Suraj for inviting me to Epom Talks.
It's our pleasure. Oza ngasi se ozagi personality se aduki matik yam ghare mayam su phanam khangbiri ai isamang na su yamna personally khangjaba mayam lei adubu khoina Epom Talks khoina ozabu ngasi si tanglaba matam kaithok tuna khoina kaujaba se oza khoigi Manipur gi oiba khoigi folk dance haiba tare khoi classical dance se sigi matang da khara khana ne na ba khoina su oza si invite tawjabani aduga ozana su khoina handak uzaki bada ozana khoigi article ibiraga aduda base oiraga khoigi ngasai gi khoida khitang chamom na ba yaw ba haigadra ko sanskrit ki khoigi Govinda Sange Dila Vilas kaina ga thokibdo oza si sida khoina khitang confusion oiba mal leiba adu sigi su oza wahang kya ma lakjage myam se khawrang na taning dana mayam su ngai ba yaugdoini ko oza aduga ahan da makta oza daina hangjaning ba oza khoigi Manipur gi folk amadi classical art se sigi basically oza na su hojikti khoigi classical dance da focus to biri khoina su yam appreciate to je oza gi effort aduga khoigi di tanglaba lanni haiba tare oza ko khoi worldwide oid aba matam sida threat kayam su khoina thingna jai aduga khoina su urba matam da misinterpretation to ba kayam su kon thingna da banatte sigi matang da marik chumna adagi mamuta na khoi myam khamni na ba ozana su ozagi khoi gi extended knowledge myam su thambi ko ja ahan ma makta da khoi gi Manipur gi classical art forms e khoi classical dance gi status e kadai phawul le bige have the ahan ma ta thambi ja
Suraj ekoi su yamna khangba natraga karigumba ozama gi makhada tampa jagoi isei madumukti natte togudu lamdam sigi son of the soil
yes
si masida Manipur da po urbanina hek angang oiringai dagi imung dagi laikai dagi se koi gi hek laikai ahum mari da lai harau dagi jagoi sarak padagi govinda da dagi mathang bijay govinda da mathang gostalila rasamayam yeng ba khutpa sum angang oiringai di yorok panina
khoi
satna kanglon culture haibis hai akhoi gi di tamdraga su masana Manipur gi hojik pudi chume new generation zina atongan ba magi life ki aspiration tongan ba igi punsi gi pandam yam lak panina game khada leram ba yai very fortunately I belong to a generation wagi late 50s early 60s the poba myam sigi kana ba mana oral history nahanaina yamna kanna panjabasi Suraj Manipur gi wari natraga India gi wari civilization gi wari se aiko isana ibana tab British na iramba gumba Burmese gi mina iramba gumba koi Manipur gi dadi hojik no hongna ai academics mayam Manipur University gi professors mayam adoba university mayam gi ai khangsing wai chanarakpada the significance of oral history chindagi di sum tahoba larik pone di laitaba si Manipur gumba agoi gi pick lava community amagi pick up so pick am yam important oi ni civilization na moi banina oral history gi significance se yam na lei haibasi no hona na muk palakpa madugi matang da muk early 1920 oigadra 1920 oigadra 1910 adwai do oigadra Ravindranath Tagore mana Agartala da adagi Dhaka da Dhaka haibsu hanagi United Bengal oirambanina Dhaka gumba Agartala gumba sum koi basida wari una tabni koi jo there is nothing called documented history koi pabung su wari lirambani mana sum satpasida Dhaka da Manipur dagi maitai macha singna jagoi saramba uba maitai pungthilamba uba yamna kena mauna sanabu uba and ultimately Tripura da Manipur gi community amana rashli lashanaba ubada madi masamang na kabisu oi artistu oi banina India aduk phajaba art form ama mazidi preserve the udabani natraga ekhoi ngakadabani shengadabani haibadagidi man oza kauraga magi Shantiniketan da as early as 1920s aina hajari bisi Bharat na ningkha tamdrim mamangi wani aduna Manipur gi Raslila haiba Manipur gi jagoi haiba sidi magi uniqueness character ma yawnina afauba mem na recognize taro kan da magi Shantiniketan da magi subject amoina tambiba Manipur gi yam laibuk phabani madugi matungina amuk 1947 da independence phangaba matung dadi laibuk phabadagi amuk akoina tajabada Jawaharlal Nehru na Manipur gi jagoi si urubada magi machanupi Indira Gandhi bena Priyadarshini magi machanupi sina Manipur gi jagoi bi urubada yam sumhatpa kathak Bharatanatyam Odissi Kuchibidi Kathakali mayam si uraba matamda Manipuri jagoi si yamna unique oiba yamna chingna lemna yam tapna kena mauna phajaba Raslila gi thimda sanabase uba matamda laibuk phabadagi di Sangit Natak Kala Academy haiba central government ye culture yokna bagidamagta thamba department namane it is an autonomous body madugi unit amoina Manipur da Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy hadisa hodoku matamda lamdang piu aduga magi everything magi finance dagi management dagi masi central
infrastructure dagi
hodang ma lawni haibagi lawgi badagi Manipur gi yamna chawba space ama Manipuri gi culture sina India gi subcontinent sidagi madurgi mu India bu represent tawrga karamba jagoi puba yabage phajage haibada Manipur gi jagoi umatamdade Manipur gi jagoi sidi it is not only confined in the temples akoi hojik raslila harga temple danatte lekai gi mandir danatte malem gi mapam guni makta continent loina mak suraba travel toru madugu art form amane aduga hojik haibiriba aigi article ama nahonana Manipur da mayamna Suraj na habi budune ai polo gi environment gi culture gi crime gi economics gi matang iraba kansida imanaba singna ai sunga imanaba singna Ibungochoubi Manipur gi hojik lagi ba Manipur gi culture past present and future se basi kitang reflection ama article ama review khara pakna chawngna new generation sigi habit inform moina ba haidani izagi bane laibak phaba bana si irambadagi di asi new generation asi Suraj na ibu kawbirai sisu hojiki article da Manipur gi reflect obodo aduna it gave me a new inspiration kamaina karigi irubano haibudusu hojiksi Suraj social media se yam phaba magi rich haigadra aigoi Manipur Mail office mai chakpase fire brigade ta tadringa da WhatsApp ta ui haye haibidi kayamna
very fast
aduga ai sumangda leinaina imanabana bhai noi yum mai chakpra hange chae haibidi social media is kayamna speed se legre habu speed se leibada education se magi takpiba tamba ngambagi speed su leiba adugi negative point amasu leiba lana chatkhagadi haibado aduga halaman singna media da hai bad news travel fast hana haibidi pau nungai tabsina chumba sidi pasu pade bad news travel fast aduna hojiksi Manipur gi Jagoi se worldwide ta very unfortunately Manipur gi Jagoi suman mandaba dress ti haibesu manba maming ju Manipuri haiba marak ta khuthekta sathekta di aigoi Jagoi ju khara chu mangum ju to but in a comprehensive manner mandi mandaba sina wrong train nama sakigada base and that was the inspiration why I wrote this article aduga mayamna makha su tabira u hai ai tawasu ngamjage and currently nahuna na amuk ai uja singi koi taima koi koi lekai gi taima singdagi Manipur gi Nehru Dance Academy gi uja sing jo iramba da ai Jagoi su mayum chalaga moi class su yengjari ai pena gi class su yengjari tungan ba lilagi I am still learning tam bible loi banai nate I am not an expert tawdu nungai taba amana akoi na hek yengbada mande la li haibajidi khangmanina haifam thokpra haibado and that gave me an inspiration that is why I tried writing this article.
We really appreciate on that also. Please continue for that as well to protect, preserve and to conserve well. Akoi gisi yamna keno su oiba potnina akoi na su oja hoina smaina puthorokpa matam sida mayamna su awakening oiba haiba tare. So it's really yamna akoi na body oiba akoi gi keno ni haina article ni haina su thamjaningi and then we would like you to again continue on that so that everyone can be aware into that. Akoi se mayam si keno oire haraga akoi we also personally akoi na su we have witnessed certain mismatch haiba tare adu moina mix tawa matam da akoi na khangaga and we have no platform to reach out to them aduna ozana tawbasida akhogi Manipur gi oina thodang se su ozana lobi basida hena lobi raga mayamna su support to biraga akhogi mayam si sumaina lagadi maring marang haiba tare metelon da oza ka sumaina lagadi akhogi representation se lana chat khiba kayam su yaudaba natte then it might leads to extinct ogibagi chances su leitoini aduna ozana please continue on that we really appreciate all your effort as well.
Thank you. I will try.
Aduga akoina ozana loina na ozana article the base toraga then please try and connect with the higher authorities, the concerned authorities, so that they can take the precautions and then they do whatever the norms said. Akoigi laxury ba akoigi by law haiba tare ne akoigi classical dance the laxury ba mayam se form se mona kahen bida ba aduga akoigi representation se chumna tohon biba aduga akoibu akoigi Manipuri gi classical dance bu worldwide ohen biba gi damakta di we really thank to each and every individual who has supported aduga akoigi sumaina so case we bisu pai but wrongly moina interpretation chakhraga wrongly even costumes tasu lalagadi maring marang lakpanina akoigi it has got different meanings also akoigi exact meaning do phangnabagi demakta ozana su reach out to you and then we wish you all the best for that aduga ozanga saigi aina su panjaki ba ozagi article su oire aduga we wanted to hear some your stories or the highlights on this particular thing Sanskrit that Govinda Sangeet Leela Vilas. What is this and then how do we connect with that?
Suraj laibak yam thi base Manipur gi Jagoi hai base Kapila Vatsyayan India da Kapila Vatsyayan hairagadi Dr. Kapila Vatsyayan ai sama ki ju ozane agoina 19 mid 80s da national media da art ki matang da iwa haujarakpa matamda akoina oza oina tamjarakpase Dr. Kapila Vatsayan is also one of them who inspired us to write on art and culture. And particularly Kapila Vatsayan se akoy aidi Manipur gi ningon ne aduna ine kawana akoy si ine kawai matamduda ine be maina yam nungsibam na ma je sanginata academy daga lerambada pungau phune ka selaga hiengau bogi illaga leram Kapila Vatsayan se akoy madam ga kawuse akoy noi gi Ningthoukhongjam gi si igi di ibung ipa ngaktani aduna ine kaw kaina and magi am ahanur phawa khoi ine be maina kawai mana Manipur gi jagoi si kaya ham fazana magi lairikta ibagi haibabu Manipur gi maitai masa amoina Manipuri amoina classical jagoi natraga laharau base akoina hek pokpadi yenga agasu karamba mawongda mana grammar gi mawongda magi displacement se music ta akhoi gi sare ga ma haiba dumaina jagoi se mana tangkak ta karamba mawongda explain tarongge haibase yam phajai Kapila Vatsayan gi magi lairikta Manipuri jagoi se India da quite a leader was going to the oldest dance however youngest among the classical dances India da Manipur na chal aba matung dadi khara le ka di hana Bharatanatyam se Kathak Odissi matang len bagi matungina Manipur sina classical dance di youngest oire matam dugi wari ni ko hojiti yam gre classical dance mathing yam khula khre even Assam gi Satriya dance ho yaure ko mamang dadi youngest oldest harame Manipur gi jagoi si man haibada aikhoi gi di Manipur gi jagoi si Manipur gi soil ji dagi horak pune na man harame we have no influence from outside aibudi Manipur gi hek laise makudagi lai harau budagi sari ba jagoi mayam gi mathang lakpasigi jagoi sidagi di theme di hongba yai ko akoina hojik India gi Manipuri hana recognized riba one of the classical dances of India which recognizes Manipuri as one of them sikari no haibada Ras Lila haibase Suraj akoina Ras Lila haise pangsan da sanaba natraga Radha ga Krishna ga gi theme pangsan da sanabagi wari se magi derivative amale Srimad Bhagavat sida yauriba 10 canto magi dasam adhai Tara Suba chapter da Srimad Bhagat pe yauriba Radha Krishna gi episode Vrindavan gi episode matek am yauriba sida sanaba Ras Lila se akoi gi Manipur da Govinda da mandop da sane Ras Lila haibu sikadai degi lakpano kamaina composed obono haibu as depicted in the Vrindavan episode of the 10th canto of Srimad Bhagavat asi khoina yam khangda base aduna Manipur gi generation me am sina Ras Lila haiba jagoi si karino haibada saragasu wari di Ras Lila jagoi sidi Manipur gi aikhoi gi maitai haiba furup asigi lejaramba jagoi sidagi magi sarakpa sathik kuthik myam ji loinamak lobni koi gi lai harau budagi oigera akoi gi ban thang ta dagi oigera martial art form dagi oigera oza mayam sina compose tor matungda Ras Lila jagoi sabne nahan very fortunately university that I say the 9th August of every year is celebrated as International Day of Indigenous People ki celebration tawe adun I should hojik se Northeast Indigenous Peoples Forum ki Secretary General ojabani na the responsibility of youth in preserving and promoting traditional art forms aina lecture ama habit sharing ama habit kino tobiyo na ise baton tawre aduga theme na oral history haiba chindagi sum tahoba wari se aduna akoi ju hallamana sum hairamba ajagoi si nobody is perfect nobody akoi hujik aina sathek ama tawda mi maga manada bi perfection nai basidi leibnate ko akoi gymnastic 10 point alagi out of 10 the piba adumaina jagoi hai basidi magi ozai khara khena bi yai magi tunganba se pungge bada har so cholom tawda ozagi magi movement amagi kitang khena bi yai magi body posture gi ko akoi oza hai marakta oza chahi 90 suba ma mongon da pungta mumatam da madi 90 sobri na kitang kolap tawe armana yei wada kolap yei wada magi sibuk mayam je kolap yei kaina ga sum hai buse but it is not wrong adu sum magi no mama leibni na ko to buda bu Suraj aise nahan very fortunately imanabaga nan wari sanabada Manipur gi Jagoi se Kapila Vatsayana, it is very different from Bharatanatyam, Odissi, and the other rest of the world. Karamba moongda Manipur Jagoi gi manadagi haibu. Manipur gi Jagoi sidi ahalamana haibada hobamji khangdaba. Loibamju khangdaba hai. Haibadi Manipur gi Jagoi se adum thiaga phajaraga adum pozamadagi pozamada among lakpa. Masini Kapila Vatsayana hairibse. Kapila Vatsayana in her own words, she says Manipur gi Jagoi se sculpturous oidi hai. Ai Jagoi saudi haiti adubu Suraj kathak saba khangde mana phaklam lepidana maji Manipur da laite. Manipur gi Jagoi di sida lairuga su sidagi dum
website
thektarakpadum aduna mana khoi gi serpentine
yam artistic ba hen
khoi lintharak bago aduga mana haibada Manipur Jagoi se kayam phajagi bu it melts from one posture to another. Amadagi amada melt tawre hai. Manipur Jagoi da mana yam phajana haibase Manipur gi Jagoi di fuze khoi gi thaktok ti hai. Knees are always together. Munna yingaga ko sabada nupina sabada adu hojikan Bharatanatyam gi di mogi Mangalacharan dagi dum duna Manipur gi Jagoi di fuze. Knees are always together. One post melts from another. Madudagi amuk mana haibada Manipur Jagoi se sculpturous oide. Se akoi gi ngak se thekpada ko aina Jagoi saba hedamagadi demo tabudabne koi ismana silibse silaite Manipur gi Jagoi di sida lairaga phajaba mana singthaba ko very fortunately mana India gi basic dance form mayam gi lecture dawse as young students, as a young journalist, we never missed. Manipur gi aigi generation da laiba aigi contemporary da laiba art critic mayam jidi Manipuri Jagoi ama saabdane masi Manipuri Jagoi mande harakani aikoi gi generation je hojiti khangdraba aduna ne Suraj aikoi gi imanam yam loin retire torba matungda lam da hangraba matungda hojiksi laibak yam phaba muna 1977 da Speak Mekena organization ama thoe the Society for the Promotion of Koigi Indian art and culture koigi musical mayam sikama haudu ebugo among the youth aina se koichu yaujare college taminga da university taminga da college da university da apau artist mayam se lak piraga perform tawda ticket ka aga yengada base as students India the eminent personalities high bada hekta koina lai oina latpa yaba mi se college da puraga performance phajana pira matam la koi phammaga yanga hui ta hobi ko madugi matam du da hojik ti ening sa haji gi bodo social media gi khuthang dagi Speak Mekena India gi government gi magi pambom mayamna lam da Manipuri Jagoi ne na utpa matam da ai imanaba isung imanaba mayam akoi gi generation na di Maharashtra dagi oigera Andhra Pradesh dagi oigera Tamil Nadu dagi oigera Gujarat chaubi there are some people performing here in the name of Manipuri they do not resemble but I didn't want the Manipuri amta mandaba Jagoi yam sare haiba and that is a reason why we should wake up adu itaragadi Manipur da Manipuri Jagoi se yamna phajai globally appreciate tawre mapam khudimakta Manipuri Jagoi tamninga tawdabu Jagoi Manipuri Jagoi di niyom chumna tamhaudraba lan tamgraba oja aina di half back thaibni ko mundraba ko asidagi Manipuri Jagoi khara oja khara da sumana khara tangamaga chahi tara tambada thang ta tamba hibnate sida numit mangani gi workshop yaurga thangi master ne na dukan hangdore Manipur da Jagoi gi workshop numit nini yaurga ai dance academy gi numit mangani gi workshop yaurure haraga they are opening their own schools outside laibak thibadi Manipur gi Jagoi se mapanda lebe parents singna yam tamaninge phajabase urakanda unfortunately laibak thibadi new generation sina tamudori ba Jagoi du it is not Manipuri haibase hojik no hongna na urai bisi kadai dagi no haibadaga courtesy social media akoju uredana and that is the reason why we must tell people outside we must inform institutions departments concerned to share our feelings. Adune kuina hojik hairibdo. Ar mapanda lana sum tawrabnina. Lana sa. Se khudam mon harabdo Australia da nahan nupi mcham jagoi sai. Embassy da. Maji khoigi mandila ga cholom go tawe ko. Adu mana Manipuri ni haire. Phanik pudi kano sele khoigi mayik nai baga sele na phiga phajare masak su phajai looks perfectly fine. Jagoi du di suman mandre sathek tagi akhoi ahalaman sing na haina bada mandila da kingbada cholomda sidagi hengat na de khoigi nupina khoigi pasok chappada hojikti khangdre kanana takpi banu khangde mandila je sumaina swaidagi sumaina sorry swaidagi sumaina longna re ko and I feel hurt akhoi ichana bina tamina and
yom thugai rakna
sum thugai rakni ko arigi hojik YouTube to dum ubne nahan nupi mchani khak jagoi sai Manipur jagoi demo tawi phanik su sele aduga makha de stage su lei akhoi nupi mchana phanik selaga jagoi sabu sidi akhoi khujeng dagi khumit gi su haigat na de moidi ngasai gi khong gi wang thangle ban khoi gi kai ngon hai da khu ure phaibom ure this is not our culture of Manipuri dance ado lan kadai degi chhin no haibase masi kaino har kamda jagoi phajna tam khidaba aduga masakti phau graba Manipuri jagoi ne na phau graba and who is deprived Manipuri jagoi ta sing ayuji French Japanese tam gai taragadi masak khangba Manipuri university Japanese tamani Chinese tamani aswai da lekai da Japanese hangdu ni na hangdoga mahum rangju khangdaga tamuragadi and similarly that is the case that is happening in India where many clinics are open by people who have never learned Manipuri they have learned via social media and Manipuri culture is something Manipuri dance is something that you have to learn from Manipur its tradition Govinda Rasla Lahara Uladi si Khangaga Tamaga Ada Satkadamni ko Aduna YouTube tagi yengaga Tambiba Horopadagi I think it is not only diluting our culture, it is distorting and violating an ancient civilization. Thousands of years of our own civilization is not only diluted, it is distorted and violated. And this is something that we should be very worried because we are depriving our genuine students outside Manipur who would like to learn Manipuri. So we have to be precautious. The parents outside Manipur, they should be precautious to whom they are sending to learn Manipuri dance. And as far as I know from the social media, I know there are many clinics open outside Manipur and who have absolutely no knowledge of Manipuri culture. And let me tell you something for the benefit of viewers outside Manipur. This is called Chumsa in Manipuri. Very simple. And this is called Khujenglebi. And this is called Champra Okpi. And this is called Champra Khaivi. Khudki gesture gi wane. These are some gestures.
The basics.
Manipuri dance has nothing to do with a Sanskrit or a foreign language describing our gesture.
We have our own description.
Our own language, our own description. When you do Chali, Chali is the first step ABC of Manipuri classical dance form. Khong Thinba, Khong Thaba, Khong Sitpa, Khong Kauba. These are the basic four movements how you begin the AC of Chali. Hitta, Dhenta, Dhententa. This is something that I'm not a dancer.
Even then,
because we know from our childhood. If you tell me how to dance, I don't know. But when we see our sister, we see our mother, they dance in our local mandaps.
The real dance form.
Because we have grown with it. Let us be fundamentally very clear for the viewers from outside Manipur. Anyone who is teaching Manipuri dance with a foreign language, maybe Sanskrit, maybe Padabali, maybe Bengali, any other language, that is not Manipuri dance. Let me caution you this. And they do not have a knowledge of Manipuri dance. And if they are trying to collaborate with a foreign language, they have not learned Manipuri dance in the truest form. That means these so-called half-baked, semi-literate Manipuri performers who are claiming to be exponents of Manipuri dance form, they are not only cheating their students, but they are committing an I wouldn't say unpardonable crime, but they are destroying an ancient civilization. They are diluting an Indian classical dance form. They cannot do that to Bharatanatyam. They cannot do that to Odissi. They cannot do that to Kathak or Kathakali. However, for Manipuri, since Manipuri is very far off, they should not exploit this situation of being very distant. Manipur is a very deeply, ritually rooted in our own culture. It is in our own blood. Every single Laikai has a Lai Harauba, and everybody performs.
True.
You must have performed in your childhood.
Yes.
Everybody. When I have performed many times in Lai Harauba, whether it is Kambathoibi Jagoi or even say Kabui Jagoi, we have been a part, part of it. And sometimes when I see young children performing Manipuri dance, I do not blame them. I do not blame them because their parents and the children's enthusiasm to learn Manipuri dance is being deprived by those so-called pseudo, semi-literate Manipuri teachers. I think this is somewhere. We need to take care of that also, because like they will have these wrong practices, and then they have misguiding all the aspiring into this particular very unique Manipuri classical dances. So like basically outside of Manipur we should spread message that like they should totally stop that, and then whoever is aspiring into the Manipuri or classical dances, they are also supposed to cross-check whether this is validated or not. Otherwise, like we will keep listening to them, we keep seeing that wrong practices. So this is something which we have to give the awareness on that. So on this context, how can we stop those people? Can we connect with the authorities, and how can we apprise them to stop that wrong practices? As per your suggestions or feedback, what can we do certain rectifications on that, especially in the outside of Manipur? Suraj, I just missed one of your questions regarding the Govinda Sangeet Lila Vilas, which you asked me.
Yeah, you can continue that also.
It's very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate. I have actually wrote a book which I am currently reading now. I have been reading this almost for the last 2 years. I have been reading this book for the last 2 years. And I have also collected some documents. I have also collected some of the old publications from different parts of the country as to how we have to tell a story which happened in the past, which I think your generation, as you were saying, that you have not heard this. So for the benefit of our viewers, let me go back little time in the 1950s and the early 60s. There was a man. I normally don't take his name, but it is time that we take his name. There was a man called Bipin. He came to Manipur to learn Manipuri dance. And I suppose he learned from the best of teachers. Even I think he claims to have learned Manipuri dance from Masnam Amubi. Masnam Amubi is one of the trinity of so-called the tripod of the Manipuri dance. He was also associated with the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. And one of the oldest dance institutes or institutions in Manipur, the Manipuri Jagoi Marup. He was the founder. So ultimately, Bipin came to Manipur. He started learning Manipuri Jagoi. And one day, I do not know his ulterior motives, but now I can assume his ulterior motives today. He claimed that he found a book. He claimed that he found a book in one of the temples, in one of the temples. And the name of the book is called Govinda Sangeet Lila Vilas. Govinda Sangeet Lila Vilas. The book was wrapped in a piece of paper, written on paper which was made to look ancient 200 years ago. Those are puya and manuscripts. He manufactured some old papers and it was written. It is a Sanskrit book. It is a Sanskrit treatise, but written in Bengali script. You can write suras in Hindi. You can write suras in English. You can write suras in Bengali script. You can write suras in Meitei Mayek. So this book was a Sanskrit book written in Bengali script those days. And this man, he said, that was written by Rajashree Bhagachandra. And that book is the so-called guideline of Manipuri dance. Like you have the Nata Shastra, Bharata Muni's Nata Shastra. When this man claimed that he found a book called Govinda Sangeet Lila Vilas, which he claimed that it was written in the hands of Rajashree Bhagachandra, that also in Sanskrit, that also about the dances of Manipur. The grammar of Manipur. The people of Manipur were very happy. At least they found a book as Rajashree Bhagachandra, we worship him. But ultimately, Maishnam Amubi, he was then associated with the Jawaharlal Manipur Dance Academy. And he also hails from a very, very renowned family of martial race of dance. He doubted the authenticity of this book. That this is not original. However, some people started claiming this there should be the book on the Manipuri dances. This man took the book to Mumbai. That time it was Bombay. This man took the manuscript to Bombay. And here, people started saying that we must worship that book. And we must learn that book to become a dance teacher. And Bipin was the only person who knew about that book because he had manufactured that book. He had concocted that book. And ultimately, to make the story short, it went to the court. Guru Amubi had filed a defamation case against someone who is no more, I will not take the name, for defaming him. Then the truth came out. The truth came out. For the benefit of the viewers, I'll just, I do not know whether this will be visible.
Even then, like it's a proof, as an evidence.
I'll give you a copy of this. This is the facsimile of the Govinda Sangeet Lila Vilas, which was written, claimed to be written by Bhagachandra. And now, after the matter went to the court, all the truth came out slowly and slowly. One gentleman from Mumbai, he wrote that at the residence of Jhaveri sisters, at the behest of Bipin, he only wrote that in Bengali script from a Marathi script which was written in, which was a Sanskrit. He only copied at the behest of Bipin at the residence of Jhaveri sisters. And that was brought to Imphal, Bengali. And at the court again in Imphal, one Aigya, one Brahmin from Sagolban, he told the court that Bipin had brought the script at his residence, and he was made to copy from that script on that page or the leaf which was made to look ancient. However, this case was settled outside court when they apologized. The chapter was closed. The chapter was closed, and Bipin, he was then the principal of Govinda Ratnalaya. He was even given a post of principal as of Govinda Ratnalaya. He was expelled by the governing body, and he could not stay in Manipur. So he ran away. I do not know whether he ran away or he left Manipur because for the crime that he had committed. I wouldn't say that whatever he had done, it was a betrayal to the Indian civilization. Manipuri classical dance form is one of the classical dance form of this country. Rewriting concocting a story is against the very ethos of our Indian civilization. However, after he left this place, he opened his school in Mumbai, in Kolkata, which is called Manipur Natnalaya. Till today, it exists. After some time, Govinda Sangeet Lila Vilas appeared in a publication called Marg Publication. People here, they were very upset They were hue and cry. And they complained. They wrote a lot of letters to Sanginatha Academy, to the Art and Culture Ministry, and it was subsided.
Okay.
And later in the 1990s, another book also emerged,
Okay.
mentioning Govinda Sangal Ila Vilas
With different person.
as same publication,
Okay.
which is from Govinda Ratnalaya. Then people from Manipur, they had a huge public meeting,
Okay.
after which they went to the Supreme Court.
Okay.
And the case was also amicably settled. After this, Bipin told the judge that I will make a public statement that I will never claim that this book was written by Rajshri Bhegachandra, which means he had concocted. He said this is written by Bhegachandra, and he said, and people wanted to see the original manuscript. He said he has destroyed it. And that particular book, Govinda Sangal Ila Vilas, which is socially proscribed from Manipur,
Okay.
is now being mentioned in some of the dance institutions outside Manipur. And that is the biggest tragedy.
Yeah.
That is why I wrote in my last article that Govinda Sangal Ila Vilas should not be mentioned, because this is something which does not exist, which is a concocted version, and it is nothing to do with Manipuri culture. But some of the state governments, they do not know the real story. That is the reason why we need to tell the story. This book was published in 1972.
Okay.
It has all the documents, all the letters, all the newspaper publications. And my father told me that please print this after 50 years.
Okay.
This was published in 1972.
72.
We should have published in 2022.
22.
I am late,
Okay.
but some of my friends and some of my colleagues, we will definitely reprint this, which is a document of which is a documented book of all the records of that Govinda Sangal Ila Vilas, which will tell the younger generation what exactly happened. Now, Suraj, the only worry is, when Govinda Sangal Ila Vilas was concocted by a man called Bipin, he did not learn Manipuri dance properly.
Okay.
And he went back from Manipur and he opened his school in Mumbai and in Kolkata. And he started teaching Manipuri dance in the name of Manipuri dance, which I sometimes feel, and many people know, that his dance movements are very different from Manipur. This is what the rest of the country should know. All those disciples of Bipin, through your medium, I would like to tell that they are going to celebrate, observe Bipin anniversary, Bipin birth anniversary, Bipin death anniversary in a massive way.
Okay.
And I would like to tell those outside Manipur, the true face of Bipin, who cheated the Manipuri civilization, the Indian history, by concocting a book.
Yeah, which is very unfortunate.
And let me tell you also, the government of India, knowingly or unknowingly, they have rewarded many of his disciples.
Okay.
Sanginatha Academy, Padma Shri. I am
prestigious award.
Yeah, I am least bothered. The most unfortunate part is, I want them to understand that they truly did not learn Manipuri dance. And those who are now celebrating in the name of that name, he was ostracized, not accepted in Manipur for cheating that particular state which gave birth to Manipuri Ras Leela, which is now the Manipuri classical dance form. This story, I think if people listen your interview, this is one opportunity, and which I suppose should definitely do. It is a tragic irony.
Yes.
The biggest tragic irony that those who would like to learn Manipuri, my simple advice is get your facts right from whom you are learning and from which family tree you are learning. And let me tell you from the very movements, if any teacher of Manipuri dance is teaching you in Sanskrit or in any foreign language, I don't think that's Manipuri. Let me tell you, say for example, you have Japanese martial arts, whether it is karate, whether it is taekwondo, whether it is judo, And whenever you have to have a simple beginning, it begins with the Japanese hajime.
Yes.
It is it's a tradition. Now, similarly, a person learning Manipuri, I am not saying that you should not learn Manipuri, but you should learn Manipuri dance from the right perspective. And after you have got a degree, after you have got a PhD, it would be too late for you to realize that you were cheated, you were not taught from the right perspective. And let this be a sound warning to all the institutions outside Manipur, including those centrally sponsored institutes outside, maybe in West Bengal, maybe in Gujarat or in Maharashtra. Some of the students I find today, and they call me and they spoke to me after this issue has come out. Sir, what is happening? I said, you come for a vacation and look what is happening in Manipur. And they have found out that they were not taught rightly in their own universities.
Which is again very unfortunate.
Which is very unfortunate. They will get a degree, they will get a PhD, they will get a master's degree. However, at the very late stage, they discover that justice has not been done to us. It is time we wake up. It is time our departments, as you said, wake up and convey the message loud and clear. And
they
this
will
is
compromise with their career as well.
And let this be one fact that everyone should know throughout the world, throughout the country, that anybody who is referring to Manipuri dance with a specific reference to Govinda Sangeet Leela Vilas is 100% wrong. It should be corrected. It should be a very simple message through your program. They can immediately drop this word, Sangeet Govinda Leela Vilas, and anyone teaching Manipuri in Sanskrit is absolutely wrong. We have our own terminology. I think fundamentally we should be very clear on that.
The basic things, the basic idea, everyone should be aware on that so that, they can, pick up their career choice in a professional way. Otherwise, they will get regret and they will unnecessarily spoil their career also in the last minute. So the only thing is like they will not get the solutions and then they will compromise with their career aspects. So which is totally wrong. As Oza has rightly said that we should be very careful on that, especially outside of Manipur where everyone is not doing the proper, right, correct, teaching methods and the techniques. So we should be very aware on that. Aduga Ozana ngasi haibiri sisu yam thina di kana re aduga akhoi ni Ozana ngasai ge hairiba yamna basic haiba tare Manipuri gi dance form takpa matamda Manipuri gi akhoi ge language takadaba say like if it's been replaced by some other foreign language, that means it's absolutely wrong. So we should be aware on that, the basic things. If you want to build your career into this culture or the art, then you should be having that proper knowledge so that you can go with the proper, the masters or the teachers who has got the in-depth knowledge of Manipuri classical dances. Mani Ozana haibiri se natrauza. Aduna yam thina koi se like sigi matang de oza koi se yam koi na keno to wayade line lo wayade haibatare. It's a very serious matter haibatare and tragedy me amal laire, then unfortunate things me amal laire. Aduga we cannot blame all the disciples also because the main culprit haibatare because misused or mislead taurini aduna it's a kind of against the law haibatare megi it holds to mana misinterpretation tawbanina ado so like akoina stop tawnabasi ozagi mota akoina we can spread awareness, we can write to concerned departments, and also through social media or through our medium we can also have that mass awareness so that whoever is aspiring and whoever wants to become a successful professional into this art, then they are supposed to know, they are supposed to have this research work so that they can pursue onto their profession correctly haibatare oza natra oza aduga ozana ngasagi keno ki sidadi ngasagi akhoi gi achumba dubudi dum tholokpa tabani adusu unnecessarily akhoi da mi kayama manghan giba mi career kayama hang giba kayama yaudaba natte adubu akhoi gi India ki oina khoi country ki oina yamna policy phajaba khoi national education policy ga lakpa matam sid de khoi Manipur culture sisu khoi accept tobiraga khoi even Manipur gi khoi classical dance form si syllabus oina yaubiri bani ko in school da adagi higher secondary da, then college level, even in the university level da, and then fortunately khoi su kariba khoi University of Culture ga leiri ni aduna sidai sida oza khoi platform de leidi leizare, whereas ozana nga saisu marik sugaina haibi kare khoi ki classical dance form mayam India ge label sida khoi gi sina something special orga, something unique orga ngasai describe to bi kare aduga international mayamna su approve to biraga yamna khoi se laibak phaba haiga tare Manipur gi khoi gi Indian sida ko arts form sida aduga khoi gi worldwide khoi ga acknowledge to bi ba recognize to bi ba se khoi gi yamna harauningai oiba yamna appreciate to ningai oiba thabak amadi oi, but ngasai gi ozana ngasai thambire ba khoi Govinda Sangeet Lila Vilas ka tholaktana tawraga marakta moina khoi gi kai hai tare mislead to ba aduga khoi gi Jagoi sigi form si mang na batorok pasi si so koi threat makhalamani oza ko sigi matang da housik si ekoi national education policy sida ekoi gi si provision mayam su leiri sidai sida how can we have that sort of prospect growth amadi ekoi gi sing sa future si kamai uba yai
2020 gi national education policy se
hoi
laibo phabagi Suraj jaisi media pairakpada aise a bit ahum se yamna thawa yang lojere yan hanbada art and culture madulagi amuk education sports politics ai bit se yaujere aduna aina lejarpa matamda health and education se it was my special area.
Okay.
Aduna oza singna education bit paibunina 1968 yahanba national education policy se sidigi mathang 1986 dagi 1991 92 da muk revision amuk 2020 da muk lakpa sigi matungda mathang ki taropadi laibu phabadagi 2020 covid pandemic ki manung lakpa sida yam phajaba document ma thorapa se hai yam munna adum yam thawa yauna yengjai. It is in 4 parts. Hojiksi ahan bagi chapter sina early childhood care and amale adigi mathang da higher education, then how to make it happen haibama.
Okay.
Hojiki mathang je madagi institute mayam sigi mathang leibasida education policy si ahum lakraba matung haibadi amana review tor matung 2020 gi lakpase si ihan hanbada kothari committee yashpal commission kasturi rangan 2020 gi da kasturi rangan gi da yori basi art haibasi as an integral part of an individual's growth. Ha art si hana significance am piramde. Kasturi rangan gi aina khwaidagi yaning ba chapter am yawe. Agoi ji angang oringa da all India radio da English ki pau yam tara e alaman singna English pasina tamda bani mapan thogadi nganga da bani na.
Yes.
Adubu agoi ji like bu phabadagi I belong to a generation where we learn arithmetic, mathematics in our own mother tongue. So hojikan di sulak haibay do. Aina hanjo amada aina mga tara mga tranga ako ismayum tijere ko. Hojiti ngang mayam English tigre.
English tigre.
Atu lagi ngang uring ada angka tamakpada irai laina mi mga na sugada bat habak to. Numit ani da sui punga sukta sui mi ani na suragdi kam changni kai base. Yan hana akoi imaron da dum hangmanina. Wahang du gyan ta ba. Hojikti ngang uri ba ma English nga mina. English tu gyan ta adram nina. There is no solution because the child has not understood the question.
It creates a gap.
Kasturi rangan gi ai khwaidagi nungai base. Magi mother tongue da primary si school lagi na khara yawa phawse mama lon da larik tambiu na haibuse masimuk ai thawai noi blate because advantage ma mother tongue da tambiu haibuse maduda ki takpadi hauze akhoi ki multidisciplinary advantage haraga approach ama mu yaure so Suraj na ai BA English honors lore ai BA political science lore natraga ai medicine tamme doctor tamme engineer tamme haiba matam says the degree tamba matam says the aina aigi apamba subject ama in low yai it can be my choice.
Okay.
Degree oina ai class 11 12 ta su yara ani bako aduda khwai nungai badi aina class 11 12 sida hojikti kendra vidyalay da de moi yoga class hogre as a subject all India gi mathang hodorokpadadi 2020 dagi education policy lakpadagi di higher secondary lona mak CBC gi se lona Manipuri gi jagoi oza ga thama school Navodaya ga lawa hore hojik DM college natraga GP Women college da any Manipuri college amada subject ama economics logera commerce logera ai penatam gi have yarakadori
It is nice.
I pina. Adaga I Manipuri ras tamje gi have yarakadori ai na pamba ma college sina kadaida sigumba institution lay have say it will be the responsibility of the government to give the child an opportunity
the facilities and the opportunity
adu dane hina Suraj khai ngak puse hojik rims ta doctor MBBS tamiba nupi musa nupa musa singse moina aigi doctor tamna aigi credit ahum mari gi moisu tungan ba subject tamidana ko engineering tamaga su se MIT de lari ba NIT lari ma'am se ai Manipuri classical dance tamgi have dana you cannot deny them
okay
they will be given 10-hour class 12-hour class chahim na sukama hai ka dori ba adu tamakpa matamdadi tambidori se karino haibdo what is the syllabus that will be offered to a child who is in 11th and 12th standard. What will be the syllabus of Manipuri Ras or Jagoi from BA? Because the BA is chahi mari oire. Ana ohum orambado. Mari oibi yare. Adagi mari oragana hayeng MA da chahi
master da chahi.
Mana. Hoji MPhil lai baje later roy. Direct PhD. Madam lakpa chile sida aigi hoji ki concern di. Manipuri Jagoi si tamak ki haiba matam da magi syllabus hai magi grammar se hojik definition ama syllabus ama khannaraga nainaraga puthok haudragadi awabam oigani haibase this is the ongoing debate that I am trying to start natragadi aina hoji haijari budo
hojik because it need to be designed properly
hojik aina hoji haijabu do hojik YouTube ta yengbiu Manipur gi jagoi ne haina nupi amcha ma mapanda sari bako ekoina yamna nungai taba amana aina Manipuri Jagoi saina haibado kanano hangkanda aina panba nuaitaba maitaina sabara mayanga sabara ka ta hangbago aina madu mayang masa ani na sabani haragadi aina moigi resta oina maita no I am not
nothing as such bias like happen
say akoina
let it be anyone
akoina university tamingai da Michelle aina France tagi nupi ama kathak saye yam bhajana sai ba yam bhajana sai adagi Japan dagi nupi amcha Bharat na tam tame and they learn very well Manipuri gi jagoi juju ai di lam dagi tam dhraga Manipuri jagoi hauji gi they will be very happy the only sad part is niom natna Manipuri jagoi sunatna lan na chat khragadi
Manipuri jagoi di haibiba
madudana kun hai se kudam mo na harabada Messi na football payam hai haragasu Suraj boundary amdi leina football gi
limits
mana carry phanam toragasu line dugi wang malaladi it's out so he has to play within the court within the field Manipuri jagoi sisu khudam moina harabada hojik aina haibado hojik Australia da nupi mandila kana saraga solom tawri aduda marakti ma thatke
haibiyo
last 2 months ai imanaba khara aigi chhatra adagi mahirol khara aina mi yankhai muki aina random survey am tawe survey ma research haibe de ko random survey ni ko sigi findings isu aina chumme haiba su yaroi tabu makoina purak pa myam se sida ingon yam achoba information
so ba data myam dana
aina last 4 months ta khwaidagi popular oigiwa Instagram da event ani puthor on haiba last 3-4 months adu da khwaidagi nungai ba mana mi chamagi respondents lowda almost 80 to 90% di chap manaba ai chart ama same
okay
adu da you'll be surprised
yeah
Suraj ko last 4-5 months ida khwaidagi popular oiba Instagram ga Facebook da selfie ga moi ga post torok da khwaidagi phaugi base last 2 months ida mantop ta kangi chali sabo oirame.
Okay,
I don't know.
That's nice.
Malavra. I think you must have also
yeah, we have seen so many posted in the social media. This times they have celebrated.
Gauri palani adagi mogi lukni da sabi mayam ni kaina chali kanna sabgi
Even Ningon Pali
phawwa adum leiden ko madugi mamangdana lai harauba.
Okay, yes,
these two major events were reflected in the social media, and a generation wanted to say that I belong to this soil.
Yeah, it went viral.
Nupim sam na ai chali saba hai adigi ai lai harauba yawi nupam sam mayam na ko si yawi kholi haibagi da ko unfortunate partner karino haibado ai I am trying to make a random survey again.
Okay.
Aigi imase sahi 95 sure. My mother is 95.
Okay.
Aduna mana sahi marfugi wari akoina sahi yankhai gi wari. I am trying to connect with them.
Okay.
Handaki chali sabasida chali sabagi nungai budi leire. Harau budi leire. Aning sahibado akoi chatna kanglon gi wangma haibado. Aduma lai harau buda ai uripok Ningthoukhongjam lekai dagini lekai mari achom lekai ne polem lekai ne dagi akhoi gi mamangi like kurimbi sigi lai harau buje akhoi dum yengai idang takna sagoman gi morang le ki lai harau buje akhoi lai harau buje dum yeng lae angang uni ngai dagi leibok chong bai je akhoi gi ima gi teimam mayang gi part ki culture amane leibok chong bagi ihan hanban numit se it can be a different discussion someday.
Yeah,
hadi sida muk pan ye ai lai harauba khangbra ai khangde hobudigi loibawa khangbra khangde laibok chongba khangbra khangde jagoi khangbra khangde tawudabu aikoi ju chahi yankhai muksi khamlang bagi hek hobudigi lorakpa adum lerakpanina engonda chatna kanglong amadi kokasum leidana ko
mane
Manipur gi poloi bhai base sumaina poloi gadabani hana niyom leite mangondagi panbudin waiter ko puthorokpa paya punba si punba mang lay these are oral history ko asti mathang se ko these are not written law lai harau bagi chana bim lay ko aina Manipur gi handak generation ama mayam da hange including Manipur gi university da MA adagi my different art form da PhD tawda aikoigi lai haraubagi ihan hanban numit se sidagi sida maiba maibina maibi ahlaman mayamna Suraj hojik se ne zum khanbada lai haraubam jilwana mak tile thare yamna le cement tore matam khadi upun horame hojik ma hong khadi horum ni ko akoi na ngangori ngai da akoi gi abokna akoi gi hek pabungna laikai ahlaman singna laibok chongba ahambado tam chaluko upun thokani hainarame I think Suraj aham ramuni you are hearing for the first time.
Yes,
as a generation gap ne go ahlamanna ahamba lai harau go chatpasi upun thokani khong thangat kanu sitna chaluko ta hoide khamlang magi mamang da upun thon ga noibase akoi angang woni ngai dagi dum khangeba aduna mai basina ima mai basina khuipa mai bisina lauk thokani bako magi sakpagi sai ga ju haite ma ju haite ko adu sa adu phun thonganu ko harga ai mitta uye akoi gi ima ben don mayam jina puna chalaga pakhang le sabi mayam jin illaga akoi last chatpado mi chahum chamri chatpado mai bana pena khonga sitla ga chatpase ana sum chatpase sound of the thoktana ne it was so graceful.
Okay,
so graceful aduna agoi gi ai space nabu allow toramadi demo toramudo that I have
my readum
mathanga di no mo dai do no mo demo to open da ai banga ai demo to ge for the benefit of the viewers.
Yes,
aduna pina khongbasina salaga mana tamna khong sina swain chat leba ko madudagi amuk akhoi si Hindu ora ba matungda Jagoi gi compose saw matam sida maibi loksang dagi lekai dagi oza singjina kokhulaga chali chabagi tambi ba step se lai harau bagi ihan han bagi खुचत सिगा खोंगजे सिगा चाली की खोंगचत सिगा माने न हाइरिबसी कपिला वचायन हाइदो I think it correlates that Manipuri dance tamgi hai taragadi la harauba hana Manipuri jagoi tangudabne habdo ha khudam moina khujing leiba kain hairi se haibagi wane akoi gi thang ta haiba amna di akoi gi
ngasai thang haibada yauri banina hoi
dai kain hairiba akoi gi pung cholom daga leiba kholiba se everything aduna pung martial art ka mari leinai kain hairiba adagi duhar chatpa every movement has our own reflection of martial movement myam sidigi yam compose bido
hoi
khwaidagi popular oigibasi chali sabane amna lairaune adubu hojikti kari ure ihan hanba numit sejda I do not know from where a kari generation aiba hojik se Gen Z ama laiko I cannot blame them also moisu lairau was exuberant ore ritual ma yaudre ko chongchala ga hekta mamang sida hekta pakhang ju lai sabi su ko ritual ma manghan gre
changes lakpado
but aina haibadi masi sontharak pase kaino da ahal laman singna akhoigi haubu numit se culture je takpi gedaba lairau bu siniko haibase madu taktana irang makti hairaroi akoi ju festival yam pamba community amane
mani
thaban chongma pamba ngaktane however some rituals will have to follow some norm adudane akoi na hojik haibido akoi gi culture deep rooted oire generation ama oire su kadai da noma confine ma laitragadi chana kanuna ma takadabune aduna manipur gi jagoi culture mayam se akoi gi deep rooted oire na hairaga ngasi Suraj gi program tabiriba mayam se ai wahi amne dang thamjage and it is my personal opinion I am not an expert on any culture tawudabu aikhoina aigi ichana aigi isuna kari tam hogudage haibado depends on what I do in my sumang aigi lekaida chali sabada aigi mantopta sai sakbada kari tam hogudage haibado it is my responsibility ngarang nahansi engonda video khara thare Manipur gi khwaidagi saknai ba jagoi gi ojane haibako jagoi gi natraga su ojane haire chali sabada phajom si kunja kaurga lae kunja kaurga maduragi muk phurit su akhoi gi machu se fluorescent kari kawe haibidi
colorful
yamna akoi mantop tadi akoi gi kanu natragadi yausang natragadi akoi ngouba
dress code leidan
ngouba chanagadabani angouba chanagadabani akoi gi pumya tasu khudang ka agasu ngouba phajom ngouba hojikti yamna fluorescent pink blue red si chali sabada mamangda chasalae nupasina kunjaju kausalae I do not know karamba ozana takpiraga masi karamba mafamda phajom setpada kunja kauba yage haibase aikoi gi chana bim le
mani nungai yai phabagi
Manipur gi bor haibasidi luhongbagi bridegroom sidi he has a right to kunja kauba na hainari
mani
atopasidi any thabak chapada ibungo nang singkhalo ko na hairibse it is a respect and mannerism aduna hojiksi chali sabai angang thora ani ozamaya ma thora ani ngai Suraj na haibi hebdo the very fact that you do not know karam kanda kunja kaugni haibadu khangdaba amana mantopta tradition amana chakhragadi kari hoduri no haibdo aduna ne costume da ai kari da setpada aragi amaga haijage imai ben mayam sum tabiu ko hojikti nupi pala se suratamok gi sangade luhongbada mana hutpada nupi pala yam sa yam su phai sai yam hai ko hojikti matam mamadadi akoi gi kano se yaurumde mic system se hojikti mic system se mu yaura abnina larger audience sound yam effect laire there is still a school of thought among the singers not sankirtan sakpa tongan school am leiri ko isai sakpa matamda mic hapirang manu haiba tongan bam leiri masigi charm ama lena ar hojikti phammaga mic yauraga sakpa speaker porapum yaureba adu tasengna genuinely bhakti gi sakpa kharadi akoi adum
mic mathau ta de
sak akoi dum thawa yauna sakjage range da munna tabiu habum yaureba. This is a debate that has to follow another platform ko sina atopa amane aduga not sankitan gi saiba luhomda saiba mayam se akoi na hek YouTube to thagalakpada Facebook thagalakpada ko akoi gi nupi gi ibagi phi khu in se akoi aina di takpa ngamjararoi mitna urakpada di tongan ba tradition ama leyeba kadai bok thagada bono kadai sakada bono haibase sibawudi maintain to honingi
mani
to some extent madudagi amuk isai saiba singna magi isai sakpadu da yamna haibagi magi yamna expressive oiba karigumba amma henna magi audience da uningmadagi khara exaggerated oiba khara su ubusu yawe adu sudum it's a question of debate aina habido boundary ma grammar ma legdabne habido atopa mafam amadana atopa mafam amadani hojinga tongan na sigisi akhoi gi ritual ama leribani na mantop khauba ama leibanina si follow tawura toloida habido I think I personal motadi khara
mane
oja singa takda sigi beyond the henbiganu habido si di ena khanbada khitan new mama leina charpadi phaina khale yes sayam haiba amna magi sakpada magi improvise tawwa she or he will definitely get another platform for his or her to exhibit a talent aduga ritual on leiba matamdadi I think matamnasu Purakadabusu male, aduga generation karna sudum purakadabusu male, but there are certain norms. Ekoina mapangi lamdana, ekoina yengbadana nungaiti haiba, ekoigi sumangdana haida haiba se. I think aigi sumangda already I don't request only. Si maina dum pangtok piu tawiu haiba se.
Within that platform.
And I suppose Suraj ngasi ko biriba sidagi let there be some brainstorming among them. Moi masen juko.
Yes.
Sigi limits is mine spina and agum si kai bado. Let there be a discussion among them also.
Yes, exactly. Aduga matam silo jalakpina oja ko ngasai gi akhoi gi Manipur gi oiba classical dance ki scope me am su leiri whereas akhoi gi sidai se leiri ba scope sida haibidi ngasai gi oza oiba yaraba aduga akhoi gi award oiraba sing sigi moi gi henna shine tawjaba yaba platform me am si akhoi gi Manipur gi Jagoi si me am na worldwide ona khangbirabni ka aduga any institutions outside Manipur da leiba me am si the opportunities si phangdabagi chances se khoina mok tajai ka aduba sigi moi gi akhoi gi kai hai tare mo khoi gi professional sing sigi moi gi si moina thengnariba challenges karino haina jana thambiningi aduga makhoi gi platform si phangdisina kari maram gino haibdo ozagi oiba opinion kai thambiningi oza
ai nahanse government dance college sacharui government dance college masi art and culture gi extended department ama oina leiba hana Govindranath nalai mathang harambadagi di now it is called government dance college aina slip up tangdagi aina hairubne government dance college se muthatpana phare aina hairuba sum pendabudagi adra oja kharana di lan lawgiba aina muthatpana phare haibadu aigi slip up tang nahanju zaibunga chawina laga aikoigi Manipur gi dance college se government dance college se muthatpana phare haibadu aina muthatpa haibnate rename revamp adragi restructure haibne
constructive way
aina haibne aduna Manipur gi government dance college haragadi college haragadi kanagi makha lakadabano haibado madu channel do ongtang yengbiu haibno
mane
Suraj gi angang ama aigi chanupi na government gi dance college da ai BA tamninge BA hojik Bishabharti dadi BA leiri MA leiri mogi post graduate leiri Manipur gi khwaidagi lingba sa Manipur da khwaidagi lingba aikhoibu saktai base aseng bahari culture culture sports su hairi ko sports na to talent amane culture is a part akoi inherent oiba akoi lutong da yaur abane maduga government college hairagadi government dance college hairagadi BA ama phajana tamba yabagi hayeng maji graduate ni haiba yabagi ai DM college dagi graduate ni ai Imphal college dagi graduate ni I am applicable ai hayeng karigumba government gi thabak amada graduate oire hairaga dance college di haiba madudagi degree di piba ngamdragadi aina maduda madu muthallaga restructure tawba matungda amuk hanna Manipur gi dance college da Jagoi na men oina tambiraga subject mari leitaba yade haragadi Manipuri hapiro history hapiro geography hapiro political science hapiro college oina kahalase like DM college like JP dance as subject logdabadi adamni
mane
madu taragadi it has a full fledged government dance college and a child, a student passing out after 3 years will be considered as a degree, and after the 4th year, he or she will be considered a BA honors. Madugi the Simbiu Haibanida. Aduga government gi art and culture department na madu pairaga. Aigi makhada lay hairaga administratively layragadi. The purpose of having a college is not served. Adu taragadi government gi art and college department ga Manipur gi education department ga they should sit together aina haijarumnida
hoi mami
hojik rims hairibase medical gi purap len ba khotpa loin tamagasu magi certificate MU na piriba I am an MBBS haragasu some pide it comes under central
university
makhada piriba and likewise Manipur gi hojik lariba government gi dance college it should be affiliated to
Manipuri
Dhanamanjuri
University
da natraga MU na central oigredna adu oiragadi you can have a full fledged ojasu lobiro ojasu sida transfer tobiro happy daga college am leragadi ai ko yumgi angang am lekai gi nupam sam nupim kari kadai de tammi haibada Imphal college tammi is like tamba male DM college tambali male GP tambadi male kadai tammi ai government dance college like the miharadi adudi mahirol natena haibagi ama leiba ko na that is the reason why I said that it should be bifurcated art Manipur gi art and culture gi department na paibi rakasu ultimately the government na hayeng certificate pibadi mo ne PBR roi Manipur gi university na BA ne perakadori ne amoy hayeng ai BA ne harakanda competitive exam thawa yarakadoi ne UPSC IAS mathang thawa yarakadoi ne you can apply for once graduate hairabani na and that is a reason why I think sa haizabado maduni aina with my due apology aina muthachi haibnate restructure and then revamp and ensure that a child a student having done a degree from Manipur gi sigi government college gi
machum bani my certificate to wodi oina ba aduga mana competitions so eligible oina ba do aduma haibdi normal gi graduation duga chamana na equivalent me amal lebana maram or equivalent ONC haibani natra ozagi wakhalon du budi yam phajaw wakhalon ni oza aduga yamna di wari sananing ba me amal le su matam sina tension lakpani na oza aroi boina oza da aina hangjaning ba se oza ko akhoi gi ngasi se khoina akhoi Manipur gi classical dance sida akhoi sum wari si sanaraga akhoi yamna ke haitare dance form asi ba akhoi hena sogachaning ba aduga worldwide oirak pasida chection gadaba kayam su akhoi khana jaida khana nei jabani ko si matang sida hoji haurakada ba haura ibasing pamjari basing akhoi gi Manipuri classical dance sida akhoi gi professional na choose toning ba sing sida Manipur da leiba amadi outside da leiba sing sida kari akhoi na ngasai ozana budi criteria myam thambi khre adu makhoi si karamba checksin wahi haib tare oza ko advising se khadang thambi aroi boina
advice a man with wisdom with a lot of experience na advice piba ko Suraj to be very honest mayam da advice piba ngamba dugi capacity di lejade adu bu nungi oiba pen da ba oina hongdo aga akoina angangi huzik lai ba siding sida akoina tohning base pangtu haning base aina Manipur gi culture ama mana phawdori base Manipur gi Jagoi si tamaga Manipur gi exponent ne artist ne na phawdori bne that means mana phawriba art form do maduda loyal oibigada bane haibase I think that is what I personally feel aduga Manipur gi su ojagra thore Manipurgisu naha yam talented oiba khara thore e moina yam toina haiba lon am leye Manipur jagoi se mapan ga compete tawnabagi damakta agoi je mapan gi jagoi manaba sagadabani haiba wakhan ma thorakpado madudi through this medium you are 100% wrong haibase ai madudi ai mod phongdok chaningi haibadi madu arigi kharasu yauri we dance for the sake of the audience haina akoi audience ki nungai na bagi damakta mit thup na bagi damakta speed khangde ama khangde khara hapsin daba yadi si daba yadi kaina haiba school of thought yauri ibako adusu aigi wakhanda de he or she is not right simadi agi personal opinion ko aduga hayeng saju saraba lana ju saraba and I will voice my resentment no ido yaning de hebdo ai adum haigini ba aida nati yam hairakani ba aduga creativity haibase there is a debate creativity haibase sky is the limit haiba artist haibagi creativity se aigi rang aigi nephew na hai mamo na han creativity the limit le na haibado aingonda la le na hairo creativity hai sidi aigi limit ne aigi creativity si limit but there is a difference between creativity and distortion aina aigi creativity aina create aina semjaba sajaba I compose tobuna amani aduga distortion ID lan saba haibaduga ani sidi yamuna kanbi haibado aduna hojik Manipur gi new generation ma'am se they are superb like yam haire mitna yam singe physically yamna fit oire jagoi isai yamna haire lari yam haire tawdabu makoina jagoi saba matamda atopa dance form gi kathak ki odissi gi movement mayam incorporate tawraga akoi gi Manipuri ne na saragadi you will be betraying your own civilization you will be betraying your own culture in the name of creativity aina budi ai gi creativity ne haiba ai dance drama puthokani haiba si puthokani hairaga ai gi movement mayam se asi authentic oiba puthoraktragadi aina sum khanbadadi aina tamjaruriba mahido utpangam thokchaba aina wari ma libada ko Suraj matam budi kitang helani aina masigi misi yam phajayena yam nungsiyena aina aigi jagoina utki haibase Japanese macha amana magi art form da dum ulakani Japanese macha amana Korea macha amna ulakani adagi Kathakali dagi ulakani Bharatanatyam dagi ulakani Manipur gi leijaribo art form sina magi movement mayam sina aigi pamjaba aigi emotion maji phajay na utpado si pamjai si phajai aina hiding ba sine habado madu magi movement mayam si haidaba matung
art form da
sine utkadabane rather than migi art form ma boro tawruraga utkadabado ai yamna nungai ba anecdote amaga liramge aina akoigi imanaba mayam Delhi University learning da akoju nong thabak tarku matam sida Sanginata Academy da sa ko na habi inebe ma Kapilava science mana Manipur dagi truck ahum kawe truck load ahum jingadagi wadagi loina puraga Sanginata Academy se mantop khalle matam da even mantop khanbagi jatra ji last akoigi haino manaje flight taga pola khale haino manaje hapnaba ayung anta sida puja ga toroga mantop ko si khangatana nini humni gi festival ama tawai phakasi phajana thai
Manipur gi loi
kauraga matam du da aingon da hai ngo chowi nang na mantop khanba hibana ha khara kawena aina sida amta hayam dong mande aduna truck tu da dom hapo moi da sum hapo ai dom senje ge harga mantop phajana khalle jingna hojikan gi aki amau sinate ko matam du di
wa tawraga jingna tawraga to
adudagi phak thare adagi sankitan tawre nupa palakka yam phajana tawe ara aina inibema nangi kari objective no na hangya aina hanjana haibane Manipur gi yam rich oiba culture se noina Delhi da phamaga Manipur gi jagoi critic mayam se e leirena a person who has never been to Manipur he has never been to Govinda. He has never seen Ras Leela. He has never been to a Laharauba. He is writing or she is writing about our culture. And critics,
imagination.
And critics are offended. My friends were offended when she told the critics to go to Manipur and learn. If you have to write something about Manipur, you have to know their classical background and cultural background. Moigi sumang da na sanketan kasi yengu chu haibane ba. Yeng dana. Aduna mandum sida demo ma tawi bane na. Matam du da agoi Yamini Krishnamurti. Awa Bharatanatyam gi. Koi gi panigrahi ko. Matang maming kharapan ge. Koi sumana saninato academy gi dari da phame. Darida. Aduga Yamini Krishnamurti aise Bharatanatyam gi aphawa kanone Minanini Sarabhai agoi moi hum je phame ko. Agoi nahane matam du da roda hum kawre koi sumana phame. Aduga Yamini Krishnamurti na ingonda Ibungochoubi akoi punsida mapok amuhna poko taragadi Manipur da pokchagen. Aina je Manipur da hairi se Manipur gi audience ki ni ko not for an outside ko. Aina madam karigino hangyo. As aina noigi Govinda gi da radar saba phangdragasu marakta gopi marakta da ongtang saba phanggeragadi na that is my dream man. Minanini Sarabhai moi myam se khoi su yaw phangjagen. Matam du ko. Matam du da Yamini Krishnamurti na ai adi kalpana jain mathang phame. Matam du da art critic oina khoi su kanna tamjarpa matam du da. Yamini Krishnamurti na haibase Ibungochoubi, the only tragedy is your young girls and boys are trying to copy us. Jagoi se. And don't do that. Manipuri Jagoi is very difficult to dance. Aduga akoi di mitna launina facial expression da uyai. Noigi you have your own style of gestures. When abhinay ka wiko. Gestures. Aduna noigi Manipur gi phasaba Chingakham thekba noba se si akoi sungai aite yam tamjaninge na ko. Precisely aduk yam na rich oiraba akoi gi phajayena. Arigi mu Minanini Sarabhai na ingonda ama hai. Ibungochoubi akoina akoi gi Jagoi tamba matamda di phak si yenge. Aduga ngasi ba ai interview lo khudingi maji hanjan hairi se. Agoi di Suraj angang ngoringa da abok na ine mayam na angang mayam je tading aina na sawa haigera we start with tading aduga yam na no na muk Jagoi gi ozana haibada akoi gi Jagoi je kadai dagi horakebu angang jing je kere da na hawi kokse and likewise akoi gi Jagoi da ne moina khwai dagi phajin haiba akoi gi kok ki movement je atoba art from the yaudeba si akoi gi angang sing na maji toktoga hojik se kathak manaba odisi manaba smaina haurak se it is not creativity it is diluting distorting and violating our own culture aduna aina with this particular interview let this be a message a humble request from me please respect your own culture akoi sandaramba mayam do adu sudum inbiu akoi culture sisu promote tobiu at the same time atopa mina akoi gi Jagoi se lan sare haragasu haibusu ngambiu tumina de topu ji kan deba aduna ina hajeri bise adura conclusion di hararoi Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy center gi achoba unit amane sida artist mayam lady oza mayam lady it is time for them also Manipur da Govinda Sangit Lila Bilas ka we wari loin khangini Manipur da smain tauna sajanambam leram me haibase it should be a part of the syllabus amuna khangnaba madulagi de amuk aina sa hajari budo Manipur gi government dance college lady sida su anga mayam da tambigida bane akoi culture sida history da lan ama smaina ma madulagi muk Manipur University da su haigadabani Manipur gi cultural university amasu leire and particularly this has to be initiated by the art and culture department it has to be concurred and appreciated by the Department of Education kana education da gi syllabus semakadu rimina haidi IAS ama transfer to busu in the name of governor the governor is pleased to announce and similarly education department has a big responsibility at least New Education Policy 2020 National Education Policy laabnina syllabus multidisciplinary approach ma yawbnina imaron da su tambiru haibam su yawramnina which is our own tambiram banina achouba khudong chabane adu aina haibado Manipur gi Jagoi sidi aikhoina kandraga su national education policy sina kangrani haibado that is something that I was very happy about khwaidagi nungai ba mana the National Education Policy of 2020 is a blessing in disguise for us.
Okay.
Manipur da hojik lariba chamam nariba natraga confusion hariba lariba mayam se National Education Policy 2020 gi matungina Manipur gi educational department mayam art and culture gi university mathang chumna chathar agadi that will be a guideline for all the art and culture for Manipur also. Aduga aigi losilakpagi appeal lamana love your mother tongue aigi imalon haibase
very important
nungsigadabani haibase kadai da haige bu kasturi ranganna larik hek tawba hama matamda primary dagi matang horopoda imalon na tambigadabani haibase masigi matungina ngasidagidi Suraj gi Epom talks ki kuthangdagi Manipur da nat sanketan tawbiriba Manipur gi Jagoi bo yokhit piriba Manipur gi channa kanglon mayam ni yokhit piriba mayam se ngasi dagi hauraga Jagoi gi accompanying music not sanketan da sakpiriba mayam se imaron da sakpiu haibase it is my earnest appeal aina akhoi apokpana hairame hek leitaba numitta mangon dagi puthoko matamda aigi iron chungkhang khangdaba amuna saga sum puthokiba sumang da su amuk khangda jum puthokiba mang da su puthokiba aigi imalon bu aigi mangon dagi aigi sumang dagi aigi mang hauba bali tawse please don't do it haibama maduna aikhoi gi imaron haibase masi any function namada isai oina sakpa matamda Jagoi wale matamda ko imaron haibasina accompaniment oigdabane haibase aikhoigi pandam ama yawrma matamda mina aikhoibu respect tor helakani aikhoigi culture su linkalakpa helakani aduna aikhoina karigumba compose ama tawu matamda as original dasa avatar haibna amani aduga hojik 1960s aiding sa haigibodo aibi giba Manipur da Joydep chongakpada maiteron saklakpa not sanketanda maiteron saklakpa Julanda maiteron salakpa mayam se ahalaman mayam na 1950s dagi kanna iho ma hagulai matam se aikhoigi identity haibado Jagoi ga isaiga punba sina aikhoigi purup asigi magi image magi status am legedori ibn haibado it is very important another generation mayam sina khangdabadi ngasidagi through your program I would like to make an earnest appeal imaronda sumang da phampak da stage da imaron gi isai sakpiu haibase lona sakpiu sabab simthabo oibiu haibado ei adu hairaga thank you very much for inviting me to your studio Suraj
thank you so much ngasi ozana tanglo matam kai thok piraktena khoi ngasi si khoi gi khudong chaba lokjaraga khoi gi Manipur gi culture art amade khoi gi dance form kaya ama khoi kamaina preserve tawgani kamaina promote tawgani amade khoina haibidi Manipur gi sidai sida haurak jari ba khoi gi origin tawriba khoi gi art form si khoina kamaina kangani haiba kaya ama ozagi wakhalon ozana thengna birakpa kaya ama share tawiba yamna nungaije aduga khoina yamna mak khoi gi expertise oina khoi gi dance gi oza mak natragasu oza sina thijan jaruba oza na thengna jaruba ade khoina su uba hek phongdokpa ngamdaba kaya khoi gi mayam si khoi gi gyan tamina ba haibade khoi gi ngasi gi khoi gi culture kanba khoi gi dance kanba khoi gi si preserve taw matamda khoi mayam se kam aina sajok pimina ba khoi kam aina support tomina ba haibu gi wakhalon da khoina puthokjaba program ni ngasi se aduga ozana khoi ngasi matam kai thokpirak basi ozabu hanana thaga chiri aduga lotion ringai gi mangoina na ozabu khoi lakbe da makta honor macha amtang da tawjage ozana lakbe da makta ozabu hanana thaga chiri we really appreciate
thank you so much Suraj Thank you.
Token appreciation.
Thank you so much.
Do ozabu hanan thaga chabaga loi na khoi gi ngasigi ipom talks mayam gi damak te khoi every Friday da puthok chari ba sida ngasi su akhoi gi oza Ibungochoubi na lakpi raga akhoi gi Jagoi gi lam sida akhoi gi akhang ba akhoi gi thengna birak pa amade naina birak pa amadi akhoi gi article ibi da na khoi kamaina kal hausi gi kamaina khoi si horak liba sing sida kamaina khoi si design to bina sige haiba wakalon ye khoina ngasi thamjari base haibidi akoina preserve to matamda akoi si kamaina akoi si akoi gi laser basidagi inculcate tawraga akoina showcase tawgadabano haibidu masu adagi career gi akoi gi growth prospect kayamasu leiri aduga yam nungaiba paw haiba tare ngasai gi national education policy sina akoi si adumak akoi si kanbirani haibagi wakalon nungaiba dusu akoi mayam si masu khangmina si loinena ngasai gi akoi gi laser ba akoi gi art form sida akoi gi mayam gi mitrang haiba tare audience ta perform tawnabagi damakta atopa yansillaga akoina phajei haina khanbadu akoi ngasai gi ozana lare example kayam su thambire haibagi akoi world gi football la maming chalaba Messi gi sumagi within the ground sanagadabani haiba outside ta saragadi magi tonganba out ni haibadu masu akoi ni yamna principle haiba tare siguma mayam su ngakna chamina si adu khaka Manipur gi phazaraba akoi gi wakhalon identity akoi culture akoi gi art form sing se akoi kanbada akoi isa isana chongthoaga akoi na si kangadabani haiba sima worldwide oirba matam sida akoi checksin bam thau tai haibani adu ngasai gi university level da lakuma matam da su ngasai gi mioi ba se tambangam de akhoi gi Manipur gi Jagoi si mana khajitang tamluraga mana mu publish tawraga ngasai gi akhoi gi aranba lambida punabagi damakta mana scripted ka oiraktana tawriba singsi akhoi su si cheksil hodaba yade haibasu ngasai gi example fact finding duna ngasai gi through legal platform da akhoi si case ke amsu ngammaga su akhoi na proof tawkhre adu tungda lakoi haiba leite aduna akhoi gi haurak liba singna su sugum su checksin minasi aduga Manipur gi outside ta su akhoi gi lana lamjing lam tak piri sing si so akoina precaution lomi naraga ngasai soiraga ding ngasai ozana thambire ba soiri do lale haibedu ma khoina takpa haiba ngamba ma mathau tai haibesu su yamna maru oi aduna ngasi ge khoi gi epom talks ki platform sida ngasi oza Ibungochoubi na lengbi raklaga idea myam share to wise myam na apam ba kayama su appreciation kaya amasu aduga feedback kaya amasu suggestion kaya amasu lebiba sing do akhoi comments ki khutang da thambira u aduga Jagoi gi akhoi gi Manipur gi phazaraba laraba akhoi gi example mayam amsi akhoina sagona raga akhoi gi Manipur si gi akhoina mingchat purakpa oiminasi haibasim su thamjage aduga aspiring akhoi gi dance form sida akhoi career semning ba kaya amasu hana checksin thorang kaya ama loba mathau tai haibasim su mayam khangmi naraga mayam comments ki khutang da feedback ki khutang da akhoi gi epom talks na puthokchari ba ngasi gi akhoi gi Manipur gi oiba culture sida akhoi na base tawjabasi mayam gi ahen ba information ahen ba feedback ahen ba akhoi na khanane na da wal hoba kaya amasu mayam na comments ki khutang da thambira u comments haibasi akhoi gi viewers khudimang na uba phangada na maram oiraga akhoi da su hena knowledge ideas amadi akhoi na cover to hotaba kaya amasu yaw oigedori banina mayam sung so na comments ki khutang da thambira u aduga mathangi akhoi gi epom talks karamba topic karamba guest adugumba mayam gi choice leiba mayam gi akhoi gi pamjaba mayam do akhoi gi comments ki khutang da thambira u hana thamjaraga ngasi gi oina di epom media na mayam gi damata series 9 puthokchariba epom talks every Friday yengduna lebiu aduga ngasi gi oina di matang asida yengbiriba viewers pumna maktagi kaina na ba yathang nizari pinapirasi